Hello, I am here at the thrift store with some friends. I'm here with my shy friend. You look like you're not wearing any pants. And she's thrifting with me, but she's staying anonymous. My sweet little shy friend. It's actually cold now. I wore a down jacket underneath my jacket, and I think I'm going to work on fall. I already have a silk shirt that's just like this. So if anybody wants, this is 100% silk shirt that my friend didn't want. For you. I have the hardest time looking through black.
I have the hardest time looking through this.
Color?
Yeah, because I'm like, oh, it all just looks so
well. I have certain colors that I gravitate towards, but like it's just all black and it's overwhelming.
Means saving even more money off our
This is J. Crew. I like your hat. I always have better luck in men's looking for sweaters, just because I like the long fit more, the baggy. This one's Gap. I'm wearing boys jeans right now. I find that because they tend to be less embellished and fluffed and weirdly ruched, that men's, ooh, French Connection. I used to work there. We were just talking about it. Oh my gosh, I just found the Dog Whisperer Nintendo DS. Master Caesar's dog rehabilitation methods and apply them to your dog. And if you guys don't know, I really love working with Reed and training. I don't totally support Caesar's methods, but I think he has some wisdom. What a weird haul. Really? Why is that? Is that mask? Oh look, they're both five. Look, they're both, two of them. Well, that just proves it's not real. This is cool. So last time I was here, I had this piece in my hand and I was like, I have too many thrift transform things. When I went home, I thought about it and I was like, I'm kind of sad that I didn't get it. And lo and behold, fate brought us back together. Sorry, excuse me. I already have something similar to this, but I love the material. And I think I might get it. This could be useful. These shoes are really cute. Oh my gosh. These are really cute. Made in Italy. Oh, regular, $115, now $79.99, now $14.99. Should have known she would take forever. I was going for the blazer dress look that's in trend that I just saw Anna trying on. And I thought maybe if I go to the men's section it would be better because men's would have longer blazers. But this is not gonna work. Though the blazer itself is quite nice. It's not too big on the shoulders. Don't forget when you're trying whites on, I liked that rib exposed seam for this turtleneck, which is why I picked it up. But I think it makes me look broad. And then these pants are not what I'm looking for. Yeah? It's the shoulders. It's the shoulders that make me look broad.
Your physical shoulders.
Yes!
Okay, well why don't we just chop them off then?
Maybe I will. I just don't like asymmetrical.
What do you think of the sweater?
Coming.
Oh.
It's 280s. Yeah, it is.
I like it.
Clean. I think this is my favorite piece today. And this could be a fit, but I just don't like the asymmetrical. This kind of smells. Sarah.
Feel the fabric is so nice.
Ooh.
You can have it if you want. I'm okay.
I might take it. I don't know what I would wear it. That's the thing. I just don't know if I would ever wear it. Untucked.
Yes.
I've seen lots of people wear stuff like this and look really cute with it, but I feel like it looks juvenile on me. I already have that green men's one that I found. So this is the exact same color, but it's just a turtleneck and it's ribbed. Do I need it? This Tommy knit sweater smells like something. I think I'm totally athleisure cool. I think I'm gonna pass on this. This baby doll top is so cute because look, it has shorts underneath. Even though it still gives this like really sketchy illusion, it's so cute. As the tags are still on it, so it's pricey. It's like $23. It'd be so sketch, but I have shorts on. And although this fit is not a win, this color combo is a win. Pale blue, burnt orange. These boots are amazing, but they won't close over my calves. It's gonna zip my skin and it's gonna be the worst.
Usually riding boots, you have to wear riding pants with it.
Recording? Classic. Classic. 280. The one time I remember to bring a reusable bag today, and I definitely won't be able to fit everything. Nothing like finishing off your day at the Filipino grocery store with a bag of intestines and vinegar. I think I did more damage at the grocery store than I did at the thrift store. It's her first time getting Jollibee.
Ever before?
Did you get combo B?
Yes.
Did you see our constant waving?
Yes.
This is where I went crazy. I got in big trouble here. Big trouble. I shouldn't shop when I'm hungry. Big trouble.